The only natural thing to do at any mall, anytime you're going and you feel like you might dehydrate and shrivel into a raisin, is to get a giant-ass lemonade from Auntie Anne's and the pretzel bites.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Welcome to my humble abode, the bathroom. I'm starting in here today. It doesn't look like it's snowing a lot from my video, but there's a solid 4 inches outside, but I'm still gonna risk it. I'm gonna look better next time you see me because I'm gonna start to get ready now, okay? Okay, no one said the fit was gonna be perfect. Can you see it here? No, not at all. It's just leggings, socks, sweatshirt, unbrushed hair. And now I need to go clear all the snow off my car. I can't promise that I'll get a good clip of that, but I'm gonna try because I do things for the vlog. I put my life on the line. Hello. No promises, but for the sole content of your enjoyment, I am going to try and set up a tripod outside while I brush off my car and freeze my hands off. Okay, here I am in the winter wonderland. Here's my car. I'm gonna clear it off. I'm gonna do a time lapse so you don't see my suffering, okay? Great. I look crazy, but I'm practicing road safety because I'm in the driveway, okay? So calm down. I cleared off my car. That was a delight. I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. And now I'm going. I'll have more surprise guests today as I'm traveling the distance and crossing the Pennsylvania border. Big stuff, everybody. So I'll see you soon, hopefully. Just kidding. The roads are actually pretty clear. I'll give you a update on the highway, I guess. Not safe, but I will. Okay, so the roads are safer, but the second I turned off my street, the car slid like this, and I was like, great, what a good start, almost spinning around and hydroplaning into a ditch. So, yeah, the roads are all right, but I'm sure the highway will be better, because it's kind of stopped snowing now. We only got like 4 inches, so not terrible. I do want to show everyone my new bracelet, but I thought about it right now as I was driving looking at it, so I'm just going to try and do a close-up of my arm in the safest way possible because these are back roads. So don't worry, still safe. I was listening to a podcast and I zoned out, but I missed the Welcome to Pennsylvania sign, so just pretend it's there. Maybe I can insert a picture, maybe I won't. Pursue your happiness, as they say on the sign, which I don't really get. Come up with something better. But New Jersey doesn't really have a slogan either, do they? Garden State, eat your vegetables. I think I should go into marketing for the state of New Jersey. Let me know, okay? They probably don't have a marketing team, but I can invent one. Maybe I can talk to the governor about it. Sure. Okay. There's a lot of coordinating from the special guests here. Yes, the special guests are screaming, so maybe you already know who they are. I've made it to my destination. Here it is. And here are my special guests. We're really excited to be on camera. They want to clink, so there we go. Okay, great. You want to give us your life story now?
Sure.
Just kidding.
We're eating spinach.
Okay, we're eating spinach and artichoke dip. Here it is.
Yum, yum, yum.
And I'm still drinking water. I'm dry as could be.
Guys, she's killing it. She really is. We're so proud of her.
We are so proud of her.
Hey, this is editing, Katie. How fun. I don't think I really explained it in any vlogs at all, so no one really knows what I'm talking about, but I was doing dry January, and I was 100% successful because it ends in like 2 days, so I basically did it already, but I'm gonna hold out till Tuesday, okay? Yeah, I've resisted temptation, and I thought about making it a whole series, and then I forgot because I'm a lousy vlogger, okay? I only pick up my phone like this on Saturdays and Sundays. Great. Okay, back to the vlog.
But I'm not drinking we are not drinking water.
Yeah, they're not dry. It's whatever. I'm holding strong, okay? I only have to make it till Tuesday.
It's doable.
Thanks.
We believe in you.
I usually just kind of cut off at random times, and I do this. Well, there goes a plane. It literally just flew over our heads. Sorry, I missed it, because I'm forgetting to vlog.
But the Sunrise said the one ended on the 88, it's extra 70%.
Oh wow. Okay. This is 60%. You said.
60.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Thank you so much.
Pretty freaking good.
Freaking comfortable. But you know what? It's like flattering.
And I can wear to work.
Yeah. The literal outfit you have right now is perfect.
Fashion show.
I'm purchasing it. Oh my god.
Wow! Amazing.
Oh my god, that looks like so professional.
It's cute.
You know, I need more of these things. But like something I can wear. Am I in the vlog? Please don't put me in the vlog.
Just give us your strut. Go down.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I feel like I'm on America's Next Top Model when she's just like model, model.
And smize.
She's a smize.
Yeah.
Can't smize. It's so cute. What's wrong with
Oh
that?
my God, the turtleneck. To roll it down.
Man, your hair got so long. It just got really tangly. I don't think so, but it's okay.
The other one's like a little bit
Other
cuter. Okay, so I was gonna try this on, but it's just not worth it because I like this one because it's normal and I can wear it. Okay, looks like Free People a little. Just flip your shirt around and come back out.
She's a very sassy client. Oh, just fell off of me.
Give us a strut.
Different size. Yeah, what do you want? An 8. Where did you get those?
The over here.
Clearance.
Okay, we found the final outfit. Here it is. She's gonna put some socks on with it. Yay, perfect for me. It's $10.
Loneliness.
You deserve the world, even if it means giving it to yourself. Wow, it's pitiful. I bought this headband update. The only natural thing to do at any mall, anytime you're going and you feel like you might dehydrate and shrivel into a raisin, is to get a giant ass lemonade from Auntie Anne's and the pretzel bites. I'm sorry I can't show the pretzel bites right now because I am driving, as always. Okay, I'll update you soon. I need gas. Oh my goodness. Cute. There you are. There you are. So. You know, I've decided the bathroom is the best lighting, so welcome to my hall. Is that better? I'm just gonna have to get over the robe today because I'm not moving it. Anyway, I got 3 things. Great deals. So the first place we went to was Loft. And I got this headband. You're just gonna have to admire it on my frizzy head, but it's black velvet with little sparkles and pearls. $6, so not bad. The second thing I got, because the whole store was 50% off, who knew? The second thing I got, which you already saw me try on, so I'm not gonna try it on again, is this fuzzy pink fleece. Yay! And it kind of looks like the Free People one, like I already said, I think. I might be completely off. I'm gonna look at it again. But it's got some zip pockets. It's fuzzy. It's pinkish, you know, front, back, whatevs. Good find. It was 80 and I got it for like 30. So I can't be mad at that. And then the second place that Andy's trying to invite herself in. The second place that I got from is Aerie. They were having a good sale too. They were doing 60% off clearance, and I saw this shirt that I've been wanting for kind of a while, but I just kind of kept leaving it because it wasn't that like dire need. So I wasn't gonna break the bank for it. So it's just this workout top. It's kind of cropped. It's a size up from what I normally get, but it was on sale, so it was worth it. It's got like a little texture detail in the sleeves, long sleeves with the little thumb hole. I'm making that up. I guess I'm delusional. I really thought I saw a thumb hole. Anyway, it's kind of like a gray color. It's nice. So yeah, this was, I don't know what it was originally, but I got it for $20. So you can't be mad at that. Here it is on. And so yeah, that's my successful day. I don't have a lot more to give. I hope that was enough time. I hope you enjoyed my special guests today. Do you want to come here? My bubby. My bubby. Okay, here's my special guest saying peace out. Love you. Love you. It's hard to get a lot of love around here.